Hello and welcome everybody. Amazon stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's go for what we want here. So this is going to be referring for us that the stock was going to have something very good seriously about what we want here. Okay. So this stock is going to have this intersection. So this can be also referring to the intersection that happens during the decrease in momentum. So let's see about 1 week update, okay? And if we want to make some edit about what we are going to explain on Amazon stock here, so I think this is going to be referring for the part that's going to be great and that increases in momentum next time. That's what I can explain and say about Amazon stock nowadays. And okay, that's what I could finish. Absolutely. And the start was here on 09 March 2020 until it reaches the November March. So there is no difference here. That's what can I say.